Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Respected judges and my dear friends, today I want to speak about something deeper than politics, deeper than economics, deeper than any difference that may stand between us. I want to speak about unity, the invisible thread that holds a nation together, the heartbeat that keeps a country alive. A nation is not just land or borders. It is people. It is dreams. It is memories. It is millions of hearts beating with hope. But hope can only grow when we stand together. A divided nation weakens within, but a united nation becomes unshakable, unstoppable, and unbreakable. One of the clearest examples comes from Nelson Mandela, a man who spent 27 years behind the bars, yet walked out of prison with forgiveness in his heart and unity as his mission. When South Africa was on the edge of breaking apart, he did not choose revenge, he chose reconciliation. He chose to remind his people that no nation can be stopped when citizens help one another. His leadership shows us that unity is not just a dream, it's a decision that can heal wars and build a future. Think of a single tree alone. It breaks easily. But when woven with thousands of others, it becomes a strong rope enough to hold anything. That is unity, and that is the strength of a nation. Today, our world is louder, faster, and more divided than ever. Differences in beliefs, cultures, languages, and opinions can create wars between us. But those differences are not weaknesses. They are gifts. They make our nation rich, bright, and full of possibility. Strength does not come from being the same. It comes from standing together in diversity. Unity does not mean we must always agree, but it means we must always listen. Unity does not mean we forgot who we are, but it means we respect who others are. Unity does not silence us, it brings us into harmony. Dear friends, whenever Pakistan faces floods, earthquakes, or economic difficulties, people join hands, rich and poor, rural and urban, to help one another. Volunteers, students, soldiers, citizens work side by side. This unity reflects the power of faith and collective strength. A nation's strength is not measured by the size of its army, or the depth of its wealth, but by the unity of its people. Let us remember, a united voice is louder, a united heart is stronger, a united nation can change the world. My friends, unity is not just important, it is essential. It is the foundation of national strength, the promise of a brighter tomorrow, and the path to a future where every citizen can dream